In this question, this gray area is a square and the area of this square is 9 centimeter square. So if area is 9 centimeter square for this square, the side will be 3 centimeter. The side will be 3 centimeter each. Yes. So that will give us the area 3 times 3, 9 centimeter square. Now for this small rectangle ABCD, I am assuming the length AB as x centimeter. So if this is x centimeter, this is also x centimeter, this is also x centimeter. Now BC, the width of small rectangle ABCD, I am assuming width as y centimeter. If this is y centimeter, this is also y centimeter, this is also y centimeter. If this is 3 centimeter, this part will also be 3 centimeter. Similarly, in this part, if this is 3 centimeter, this will also be 3 centimeter because this also forms a rectangle. Now, let's look at the big rectangle. Let's look at the big rectangle. What is this big rectangle? The big rectangle is the outermost rectangle that we are talking about. So what will be the length of this big rectangle and what will be the width of this big rectangle? Let's talk about length and width. The length, as I can see, is this 3 and this x centimeter. That means length will be x plus 3 centimeter. Similarly, what is width? Width, as I can see in the figure, includes this 3 centimeter and this y centimeter. That means width will be y plus 3 centimeter. Now, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 30 centimeter for this big rectangle and perimeter is 2 times length plus width. This is the general formula for perimeter of any rectangle. Now, I'll substitute the value of length and width here. So, length is x plus 3 and width is y plus 3. If I solve this, what I will get? I will get 15 is equals to x plus y plus 6. That means x plus y will turn out to be 9. Now, this value can be used further. Let's see how. Let's talk about a rectangle ABCD. Rectangle ABCD. We need to find the perimeter for rectangle ABCD. This is our question, correct? So, what is perimeter? Perimeter is, as we know, it is twice length plus width. So, what is the length of rectangle ABCD? It is x. And what is width? Width is y. So, we need to find 2 times x plus y. Okay, what is the value of x plus y? The value of x plus y is 9. I will use this value here. Yes, that means twice of 9. So, our final answer is perimeter of rectangle ABCD will be 18 centimeter. Yes, so this will be our final answer. Perimeter of rectangle ABCD will be 18 centimeter.